At Scott Equipment Company, we know that in industrial automation, every minute matters. That's why we're excited to show you how Murrplastik cable entry solutions can help you save time, reduce labor, and improve efficiency. Here's a simple demo preparing a control box for 8 cables. On the left, a traditional setup with cable glands. 8 holes need to be drilled, 1 for each cable. On the right, the Murrplastik KDP cable entry plate, only 1 hole is needed. The difference is clear. Drilling 8 holes is time consuming. With the KDP we cut prep time dramatically, saving over 4.5 minutes in the drilling process alone. But it doesn't stop there. Installation with the KDP is nearly twice as fast compared to standard glands. That's about a 50% savings in labor. The result is a clean, professional finish that's both secure and reliable. No clutter, no wasted time, just a faster, more efficient process. Murrplastik cable entry systems are designed to simplify your installation, minimize downtime, and boost productivity. The KDP is just one of many solutions available to fit your application. Contact Scott Equipment Company today to learn how Murrplastik cable entry solutions can save you time and money on your next project.